Hey, welcome to another update video on Trade for Tendies. This is my adventure with my $80,000 account trading the wheel strategy. Now, for those of you who have been following me through this spreadsheet, which is completely open and free in the description below, you can follow all my trades. You would have noticed that I traded 100 shares of Smile Direct Club. Now you probably wonder why I did that. I did that, right? So let's look at Smile Direct Club. They had an earning like 2 days ago, and the stock just got plummeted. Like it plummeted 25% the next day because of the weaker than expected earnings. So if you look at the trading range for the year, it was trading from 493 all the way to 1608. So that's 4x in 1 year. So unsurprisingly, if you zoom out of this video, this chart, you can see that it was at the peak of like 14 bucks or so, and then it's just been on this crazy downtrend for like the whole year since the January. So yeah, it's still on the bottom of this. Like there's definitely going to be more pain coming down, but I think like based on this channel here, I think this is a good time to get in on some positions of Smile Direct Club. And hoping for a bounce back, at least like even if it bounced to $6, I'll be happy with that. But my target is around 745-ish. When it gets there, I'm gonna try to sell it or set a stop loss. Hopefully, if it breaks out, like if it breaks out, that's even better. Hopefully, it's going back out to 14s. But for now, it seems to be like a really low point. It was down 25%, and I know what you're gonna say. Like, yeah, stocks can go down to zero. So 25% is. It's big, but it could drop another, 50% the next day. So definitely I understand that. But at this point, this is a calculated risk that I'm taking, in which I am buying 100 shares of Smile Direct Club, and hopefully I want to ride this wave to see, how high I can go with this single trade. It's going to be a medium to long-term trade. I plan to hold this for like, I don't know. I plan to hold it for at least 2 or 3 months, just to see like how far I can get that. So currently, it's my cost basis is 515, so it's trading at 533. So I'm up like 17 bucks. Not bad. At least I'm not down. So we'll see about Smile Direct Club. But in the meantime, some of my position updates. I actually closed my QS puts today for $50 in profit. So I had a $22 15-day to expiration puts on QS that I sold. The total credit I could have collected was 90, but I sold it. I closed it early today because QS was sort of getting destroyed today, and it was down 5%. So it's getting awfully close to my $22 target. And like this is a company which I don't really want to own long term, So this is. I thought I was out of the woods, but this stock is just so volatile. It goes up 5% one day and then goes down 5% the next day. So kind of too volatile for me. So I am just closing it. Say goodbye. I don't want to touch it anymore. Take my $50 and run. For Plug Powers, this is a $26 put. Plug Powers is at $27.24. So again, Plug Powers is also volatile. Like today it's down 5%, 5.8% in 1 day. I thought I was out of the woods. My position was actually like in the money pretty well, but due to this was it. But due to that, like it went up like 83% today in value. So some of my gains are taken away, but I think until next Friday, Plug should finish above 26. So for me to collect this premium in full, I'm expecting that. Now, Palantir has earnings tomorrow. So I sold a $23 call for Friday. So Palantir is currently trading at $22.73. It's actually went down like 2%. So when I sell a call and the stock went down, that means my call is getting value. It's gaining value. So my Palantir here, it's currently trading at $73. My cost basis was 55, so it's up like 20 bucks. So, but again, as you can see that in 12 hours we have Palantir earnings, which is like in the morning pre-market. So we'll see how Palantir does tomorrow morning. Hopefully Palantir beats it out of the park. We go up like 24-25 bucks, just get my shares called away. I'm happy with that. You know, my cost basis was 22, so I made like 100 bucks there, plus the premium here, plus all the premiums that I made before. So there'll be a couple $100 in profit in full for Palantir, which is great. And the next stock is Rocket. So RKT, where's my RKT? Right here. So RKT is currently trading at 17.56. My call is for $23 call. This is for this Friday. No, sorry, it's for 10 days expiration. So this is like long after the earning. It has earning as well tomorrow morning. So my hope is that Rocket jumps up after the earning. I really don't want it to drop anymore. I needed to jump up to get closer to $20. I really wanted to get a call away. So it's like a small probability of that. But $20 in premium, that's really good. The only reason I traded this is because the earning is coming up. So the premium are getting higher. That's why I want to trade this. Now the other one is Microsoft 275 puts for next Friday. Microsoft's been trading pretty flat for a while now. It's been like it broke out of its resistance. Now look at this, it's like crazy high, right? So my put is at 275, which is somewhere down here. So this will be like a huge support, I think, if it ever goes bad. So it's for 10 days for next Friday, 275, and the premium is $45. Not bad. As you notice, the delta is 0.09, so it's really low chance of this getting assigned. So hoping for that. And now going to the high stress stocks, which is AMC. AMC has been like crazy this week. It's like up and down, up and down. It's like hovering around my strike price all day today. It actually went below it, right? So AMC actually traded like 29-ish this morning. I was like, oh snap, I was getting in the money. This put is gonna be, I'm gonna lose money on that because my assignment price is 31. So I got 2 days. I bought it like yesterday. So I have until Friday to make sure that AMC stays above 31 for me to collect the $63 in premium. So hopefully that happens. And if it doesn't happen, if AMC trades like a bit below it, I'm fine with that. I'm just gonna turn around and sell calls on it. But hopefully I don't want that to happen. SDC, I talk about that. So I have another AMC put. This time it's $29 puts for next Friday. This one has $116 in premium that I can collect. So again, this is near like 29, 31. 29 has been a good support for AMC, so hopefully it doesn't break. All I can do is hope now. For AMD, which is the next position, AMD is currently trading at 107.63. So as you can remember, AMD broke out of its multi-year like resistance. It actually went as high as 121 at some point. It's been selling off a little bit. I think this 97 put right here, which is somewhere down here, it's a good resistance. So as you can see, that was the previous resistance. So once you break out, stock tend to stay around there as the new support. So I think 97 would be a good support for AMD, and that's why I sold this put, which is for next Friday. And 97 put, and it's for $43 in premium. Not that high of a premium because the IV for AMD is pretty low. But I think it's a good little, money that I can collect, like relatively risk-free. And lastly, my position is on Apple. I have 100 shares of Apple for my long-term holding. So I was like, you know what? I don't want to leave the money there to do nothing. I really want the money to work for me. So I sold a $165 call on Apple for November. So this is the multi-month option for like 3 months out. 3 months out for Apple. 165 call. So I don't think Apple's been breaking out. This is like really good for it. I'm happy to sell all my 100 shares at 165 because my cost basis is way below that, and take the profit. But I think like 165 it's a pretty safe call that I sell, and the delta is 0.21, so I have pretty good chance of making it happen. There's really no IV, so you're not really doing Apple wheels for IV because Apple is a relatively pretty safe stock. It usually does well no matter what. so the IV is really low, and therefore the premium is not that good. Therefore, that's why I sold a really long dated call, November 21 call, for $186 in premium. So for 3 months, 186, not that much, but it's better than doing nothing. So since I have 100 shares of Apple, I'm just going to keep doing that to see how much premium I can collect for free, just for owning the Apple shares. So that's the strategy of this, beauty of this wheel strategy. So I hope you guys like this, because if you don't understand how this wheel work, check out the link in the description below. I have like articles on how I trade these wheel strategies. So it's been doing well for me so far. Like so far I have 14,000 in profits, $8,000 which I can use. So that means I spent $6,000 to buy various stock that I can hold for short-term trade. Other than that, I have the money here that I can buy whatever I want. So I'm just waiting for a market dip to buy whatever, just to have a short-term trade, all together to try to increase my profit total. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Definitely join our Discord. I'm always there. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer for you, to help out, to help each other trade, each other get better. Definitely, it's something that I love doing, and I really want to see you guys to see. And yeah, check out TradeIV.com. This is the app that I built. It's the app that I use to track all of my investments, and I think it's pretty good. It really helps me every day. I just click on this button. It shows me the daily charts of all of the stocks. I could easily see like what's going on a stock, where's the support, where's the resistance. This really helps me find stocks that I can sell puts on or sell calls on to run my wheels on. So definitely use this app if you're interested. Completely free. Just log in with your Google account and you'll be able to set up your own watch list, watch the news, crypto, or even a Wall Street Bets stream chat. So yeah, definitely check it out. Oh, and this play button, it plays the CNBC radio. So if you're trading, definitely have this play in the background to help you get all the information in real time. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.